How's it going, everyone? It's Alex from Trident Crypto Asset Management, and today we're going to take a look at how to bridge Ethereum or USDC off of the Ethereum mainnet and onto the Polygon network. Now, this can be done if you don't already have MATIC in your MetaMask wallet, but do have some Ethereum or USDC that's on the Ethereum mainnet, and we can go ahead and use this bridge to transfer or bridge our assets onto the Polygon mainnet, which we can then use to deposit or withdraw from our Enzyme vaults. The first thing we're going to want to do is bring up the Polygon wallet, and I'll have a link to this in the description. And we're going to want to click on this button in the top corner that says connect to a wallet. Once we get there, we're going to want to hit the MetaMask button, and it's going to ask us to sign a transaction on our MetaMask. I'm just going to use this alt wallet that I have a little bit of ETH in, but you could go ahead and select which wallet you want to use at this stage. It's going to ask us to sign this transaction, which is essentially saying that Polygon has the ability to view the assets in our account. We can note here it says this signature will not cost any gas fees. So we'll go ahead and hit sign. And we can see our account is now populated in the corner, and we can check to make sure we have the right address, which we do. From here, we have two options. We can either hit the Polygon wallet button, which will show us all the assets in our wallet, or we can hit the Polygon Bridge, which allows us to deposit and withdraw between networks, being the Ethereum network and the Polygon network. Go ahead and click that button, and that brings up the Polygon Bridge. If we scroll down, we can see here, it's going to be bridging from the Ethereum chain and onto the Polygon chain. We can select the asset that we want to bridge right here. You can see this wallet has a handful of random coins on it because it's just kind of a throwaway wallet that I have for playing around with different DeFi ecosystem apps. We can select to bridge our Ether into the MATIC chain, and we can select how much Ether we want to bridge. Keep in mind, we're going to want to keep a small amount of Ether in this wallet to pay for the gas fees. If we scroll down, we can go ahead and hit the transfer button. We can see here moving funds from Ethereum to Polygon can take anywhere between 7 to 8 minutes. I've never seen it go longer than 5 personally. And we can see here just a quick notice that this is not for delegating to stake validators. There's a separate spot for that. However, we don't have to worry about that. We can just go ahead and hit continue. And right here, it's going to give us a total estimation of the amount of gas required to make this transaction. Now keep in mind, because we are still on the Ethereum mainnet, we are going to have to pay ETH gas fees, which are substantially higher than on the Polygon mainnet. If you're happy and satisfied with the gas fee amount, you can go ahead and hit continue. And that will bring up this final confirmation window that'll show us exactly how much Ether we are looking to transfer, in this case, $50 worth of Ether from the Ethereum network and onto the Polygon network. It's going to be transferred through the proof of stake bridge, which normally takes anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, but could take upwards of 3 hours here if the network is experiencing a lot of congestion. And finally, we have our estimated transaction fee on the Ethereum mainnet, which is paid in Ether. We have a $55 transaction fee. Now, I'm not going to continue on with this transaction. This is just for sake of video. Obviously, transferring $50 worth and paying a $55 fee is around 110% gas fee for this, which isn't economically smart. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit cancel here. And just by hitting that X, we go ahead and cancel out of this whole entire transaction. We don't have to worry about it posting. But you would want to hit the continue button to actually bridge your assets. Now, once you've completed the swap, you can go ahead and hit this assets on Polygon button, and that'll bring up your Polygon wallet, and we can see exactly how much of what asset you have in there. We can see this wallet has various assets. Like I said, it's kind of just a play wallet of mine, but we do have some MATIC token here. We have some Ether from a previous bridge. We also have USDC, which is bridged to the MATIC mainnet, and we've got some XCAD token. Keep in mind, USDC on the Ethereum network is different than USDC on the MATIC network, so you are going to want to bridge your Ethereum USDC over to MATIC if you are using USDC to perform transactions with the Enzyme vaults. We recommend just using MATIC, however, instead of USDC for deposits and withdrawals to an Enzyme vault, just for simplicity's sake, because you are going to need some MATIC in your wallet for the Polygon network fees It's just easier to deal with one asset as opposed to having to transfer and bridge USDC over from Ethereum onto MATIC mainnet, and then having to have some MATIC as well for the gas fees. Our vaults are set up to allow you to deposit or withdraw in either MATIC or USDC, just to give you options. However, like I said, it is a little bit easier and streamlined just dealing with one token and dealing with MATIC. And if we click on the Fox in the top, that'll bring up our MetaMask wallet again. And we can switch down to the MATIC mainnet just to confirm again over here that we have our assets in the wallet. You can see here the MATIC on the Polygon wallet is 0.0754, which matches up with the MATIC in our connected MetaMask wallet. Now, if you ever don't see an asset here that you deposited, for example, if you deposited USDC on the MATIC mainnet, you can go down to import tokens here and fill out these three areas with the token contract address, the symbol, and the token decimal. Those can be found over here on the Polygon mapped tokens page, which shows a list of the different token names, the bridges they're on, as well as the parent chain. And if we scroll down to the bottom and scroll over, we can see the child chain address for each of the networks. You would use that information to populate those fields on the import token page, which disappeared from our MetaMask, but we can pull that up real quick just to show you here. Furthermore, if you want another easy way to add a token to your MetaMask, you can just go ahead and pull up CoinGecko, find the token that you're looking for, and all the contract details will be right here. This button right here is what I really wanted to highlight though, the add to MetaMask button. If you click this, it will just very easily import all those three fields into your MetaMask and go ahead and insert that token for you. So with that being said, that wraps up this tutorial on how to bridge assets off of the Ethereum mainnet and onto Polygon MATIC. The benefits of using Polygon MATIC as a layer 2 solution of Ethereum is going to be faster transaction times as well as much cheaper fees. I hope this video was able to help you, but if you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments, or you can join our Discord server where we always have a staff member able to help you out with any questions. An invite link will be posted down in the description for that Discord server. It's been a pleasure. My name's Alex with Trident Crypto Asset Management. I hope you have a good day.